Alright guys, please hit that subscribe button, like and share. I'm about to save you a bunch of headache and a bunch of money. Could not make the driver's side window roll up and down. As you can see, it does now. All the other windows would roll up and down, no problem. Just the driver. It hadn't done anything weird, it just stopped working one day. So I checked down in here, looked in the boot, couldn't find any broken wires there. I pulled this panel apart and pulled this plug off and used a drill battery with this blue and the brown wire here, and was able to roll the window up and down by switching polarity. Okay, so I knew that wasn't the motor or the mechanism, it was something in here somewhere else. So I took the switch apart completely and so I got all the contacts out and everything, and it was all totally clean and it worked like it's supposed to. So I put it all back together again, hooked it back up, it still did not work. So what I did was, with the key turned on in the run position, so the engine would normally be running, I held down on the driver's side switch like I was trying to roll the window down. I held it down and held it in that position and unplugged this plug and then plugged it back in. When I did that, it started working. It immediately started working. It started rolling down. As soon as I started plugging it in, the window started rolling down, and from that point on, it's worked perfectly. It does everything it's supposed to do now, 100%. And that is how I fixed this. If you guys appreciated that tip, and if it saved you from having to buy switches and, you know, lose your mind, ride around with your window rolled up, all that kind of stuff, be sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the share, the ding dong. Hit all the buttons. And if you're interested in these guys down here, this customspeakerpods.com, look down in my information and click the link. You can go to where these guys are sold and get yourself some awesome, easy to install custom speaker pods and make your audio system love you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope it solved your problem. If it didn't, well, I'm kind of out of things to try now because it works. Peace.